everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to move photos from your Android phone to your iPhone. And this is very easy to do. You can do this a couple different ways. Now the quickest way to do large amounts like 100 gigabytes plus is just with a USB. So this one is 64 gigabytes. So I believe I had at least this entire thing filled up. So I have this lightning adapter right here. Now I think 14 below, you're going to need lightning, and then the newer ones, 15 and above, are using USB-C. So just look at your charger and get the correct adapter. So you might just need USB-C to USB, and that will work very well with your Android phone because that's what Android uses. So now what you want to do is go on over to your Android phone and plug in the correct adapter. Now the most important thing though is before you get started, you need this formatted to exFAT, your drive. If this is formatted to NTFS, which is probably rare for most people, the same format as your Xbox, but if it's not formatted to exFAT or FAT32, it's simply not going to display on your phones. So your Android phone, it may show up NTFS, but on your iPhone it will not. So plug this in. Just like this, it works. Okay, hey, now let's go on over to Files. So swipe up from the bottom, and then locate Files. So type it in here, Files, F-I-L-E, Files, tap this. Okay, so I got Files on here. You can see my USB is plugged in here. Now just locate your photos. So we can go to Images, and then just hold down on them, and then we can just copy them over. So it looks like I got a ring or something here. Okay, cool. Then go to the top right when you got everything. And I think you can select all. So if you want to select all your photos, you can right here. And then I'm going to go to Copy to USB. You can make a new folder. Just name it Photos or something like that. Photos. Copy here. Boom. This is copying over. Perfect. Okay, so this is copied now. Now I just have to bring this to my iPhone. Since I don't have the same charger, I want to get the lightning adapter. So very easy now. Okay, now plug this into, oops, can't believe I did that. Okay, let's go on over to the lightning, plug this in. Now you just need to locate Files on your iPhone too. So let's go to Files on here. Okay, go back to the home screen. Look for Files. So you can see it's this little blue folder. It's down to Email. The little blue folder is called Files. Tap this. Tap Browse a few times. And then you can just come on over here. You can see Untitled. That's your USB drive. Here's the folder for photos. I'm just going to hold down in there and go to Move. And then I'm going to go to Photos in the top left. Go to On My iPhone. Locate a folder in here, or you can just move it to here. So I can just copy it to here, and you can see it's going to prepare it and transfer it 46 megabytes. Alright, we can go back now. Go to On My iPhone, and you can see I have two different folders for photos, so I'm going to delete the other one. And then everything should be on here now. So that's how you move it. Now another easy way to move it if you don't have USB, and you're not going to be transferring large files, and this could matter if you fill it up or not, but the cloud storage. So if you go to Drive on your Android phone, I'll show you real quick. So you can go to Drive. So here's Google Drive. Sign in with the same account, and you can just upload a photo to here. Let's go on down. And let's just go to this one right here, wherever this is, and you can upload it to Photos if you want, and then you can upload here, and then just go to the iPhone store and get Google Drive on your phone here. Just go to Drive, Google Drive, and then open this up. And then it should be on here wherever I just uploaded it, 1055. Here's 1117, okay, so I can hold down on here, go to the three lines, and then go to Download. And it's going to save it to my photos. Okay, so it should be on there, and you can just check under files once again. Should be on my iPhone somewhere. I think it's in the downloads folder. Otherwise, it's just in the same location your camera pictures are. So you can just check this out. I don't see anything on here. You can go to recents. So I can see it's right here. Maybe that's the photo. I'm not sure. I can't remember. Now you can go back to where it says on my iPhone too. Let's go back. This is annoying. I like having a back button. Okay, new document. Nope. So you can just go back. I swear. Okay. There we go. We can go back to browse. Go back here. And then you see Drive is located on here. We can just connect our Drive account to this specific location, and we can see everything on here. So it makes it a lot easier, and then you can just download it or duplicate it from here. And you can move it to a different location now and save it to your phone. So replace. So just look at that as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.